Okay, boys and girls, we got a board, which we found in the rain. It was abandoned, neglected, and abused, but we will change its life. Well, I will. This is the aura feature.
I said I'm unwilling to help him.
Yes. I wish I had his help. Okay. We have clear grip tape, which I won't tell you guys why it's for. You'll see. And then checkered grip tape, because you see there's checkers like under it. And we're going to put checkered grip tape, so then it's going to be all checkered. Because why not? Okay, so we're going to start by... Do I have to take off the trucks? We're taking off the trucks. There it is. First screw. Okay. Let's keep going. Moment of truth. Dude, what? It's literally stuck to the board and I unscrewed it. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it off.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright, this will actually work, guarantee it.
Yes! It's stuck to my hands. Boom.
No. Something inside of my head. Yeah, cook some more turkey.
So we got the checkered grip tape here, and we're gonna see what it does.
Don't know what it is, but make it spread. Money, I manifest some cash and all of the fucking bread. Yeah, all by myself.
Improvisation.
Cones like elegance. I got 2 phones. I'ma beat the game. Call that shit. Ain't shit wrong. Be the motherfucker like glue.
Okay, guys. So, you might be asking, why is there a gap here? Well, to answer that, let's put the glue. Let's put the clear grip tape on. Oh god.
Into me, you like holocron. Walking in the dark, it always seems like they be lurking in the shadows. Don't go back. Don't go back. Put my hands. It's time for judgment. Like pop smoke, I am on my element.
Alright guys, thank you for watching our kind of Thanksgiving, kind of not Thanksgiving special thingy.
Well, it depends when this is uploaded. Hopefully on Thanksgiving.
Maybe not, who knows, we'll see.
We're not giving this away.
Yeah, this is mine.
No, this is his.
Sucker.
We're giving
This is
it
my
to
best
Aura.
friend, Kanye West. He's here. No, Kanye is sacred to
You
us.
should go to his church.
Next video, I'll be wearing all checker clothing and ride this board for you guys. And it'll be very entertaining. And we'll put wheels and trucks on this.
Yeah, this is just the tip of the iceberg with this board.
We'll
We're
have a
gonna do-
lot of adventures
We're gonna
with this board.
we're gonna
We'll give away the
Shitty
wheels.
wheel giveaway.
Alright guys, comment down below.
No.
Like this video, comment, and subscribe, and we will
Warren's
send
joking.
you these wheels.
Warren's joking.
Legitimately, we will give you these wheels.
he's not
If you win the
joking.
giveaway. Just the wheels, though, not
Comment
the
your
trucks.
credit card information.
Only the wheels. Okay?
It's kind of stupid.
They're not good.
And the
But,
bearings,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, and the bearings, so all be
and the
included.
bearings.
You'll get 4 used wheels and bearings up close.
Walmart approved.
Walmart approved. So if you want them, comment down below. We'll sign them too.
All right, see you guys.
Transition.